Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold falls ahead of key monetary events. Gold declined near 2380 per ounce on Tuesday, extending losses from the previous session as investors look forward to upcoming policy meetings from central major banks this week. Gold edges lower ahead of Bank of Japan FOMC meetings key US data. So this is the ongoing market sentiment. Market is mostly waiting for the major events. So in this type of situation, we usually get a choppy market, sideways market, or things are not very clear. Because if you look at the chart of gold, we can see that there was sudden fall on gold yesterday. Gold made a low of 2370 and now gold is showing signs of recovery again. So things are a little bit scary right now if you are a swing trader. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to look at your safety first and try to stick to the levels. Okay, but before I proceed, my dear friends, I would like to mention one thing that this is my real Instagram profile with a blue tick. There are many scams going on in my name on Instagram. Please be careful. Okay, please follow only the real profile with a blue tick. I am paying money to Instagram every month so that you guys do not get scammed. Okay, so the link of the real profile or the original profile is also in the description if you want to follow. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's discuss about gold. So right now gold is trading around 2388, 2387, this area here, and we can see that gold is slowly going up. So if you're a swing trader, then obviously this is not the ideal time to place any new position, because you can see after this big fall yesterday, market is going up right now. And if you also prefer to hold your trades overnight, then also this is not the ideal time, because anything may happen. Okay, the direction of the market may change drastically in just few hours. So you need to be careful. And if you look at the overall chart of gold, then you can clearly see that after this fall, okay, gold is trying to go up right now. Okay, one thing that we need to focus here is on the daily chart. Okay, on the daily chart, market has taken support around the 50 moving average, where we also had the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Probably we discussed this on Saturday, I guess. On Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of gold taking support around this area. Because if we remove the FIBO, okay, we can clearly see the market is waiting at the market is standing at the high. Market is mostly waiting for a big correction. We know this stuff, okay, but gold is not coming down for retracement. Okay, and that is also a big reality, because for a big correction, big sell-off on the chart of gold, we need not a event like FOMC. We need a big major event, okay, that will bring gold towards the 2100 but those levels are not practical right now. Maybe next week, next month, next year, nobody knows. So at this moment, we should only focus on the present condition. Okay, instead of trying to predict the market, we should follow the present trend and plan our trades accordingly. So right now on the daily, we can see market is trying to take support, so we need to plan our trades like that. Okay, and as we have major events lined up, so we need to be careful, try to stick to the level to level trading. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. So first of all, let's discuss about the best support on the chart of gold. The best support on the chart of gold is around 2370 to 2372 area. Okay, this is the next big support on the chart of gold, from where market bounced yesterday. We can expect that during the day, okay, if market falls also, this will be the level from where market should bounce, because the ultimate support on the chart of gold is around 2350. But as gold is trading around 2390 area, chances of market going to 2350 is very less. And if you have already looked at the economic calendar, probably you have seen that today we do not have any major news during the US session. Okay, so we can expect that 2350 will remain as the major support, but practically market should not be going to this level here. So we can expect 2370 to act as the support. So during the day, during the US session also. If market falls, observe the market around 237072 area. If market takes support, we can definitely hit the buy button. Okay. You can also see that I have drawn another line on 2376. So this is also a support around 2376. Why we're considering 2376? Okay, we can see market has taken support twice, and in this type of market situation where market is mostly waiting for a major event, you can expect 2376 also to work as support if the selling pressure is not very high. Okay, let me take you to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, you can see properly. So this is the 15 minutes chart. You can see this is the level of 2376. So we can see that if the selling pressure is not very high, there is a good chance that market will at least bounce from this area. Okay. And my dear friends, you can see that I'm using the newly launched charting platform of FastBull. FastBull has been helping us for a long time with their fundamental analysis, their cool economic calendar, and now they are doing a great job, awesome job with their charting platform. So my dear friends, this charting platform is so cool because all the features which are paid in TradingView are available for free of cost here. For example, you can add as many as indicators here because on TradingView you can add up to only 2 indicators on the free version. And the best thing that I like about this new charting platform is that they have the multiple chart layout. You can see that I have 3 charts open, goal on 3 various time frames, and you can add up to 64 tabs here. Obviously you don't need that much charts, okay, but yes, they have the facility of 64 charts. You can have multiple layout. You can see that this is a pattern, this is like this, so you can add as many as charts here, and you can have a multiple chart layout. Okay, multiple chart analysis is really powerful. Okay, you must be knowing, and it is very useful for traders like us. You must also know that on the free version of TradingView, we do not get the live prices. Okay, it is delayed by 20 seconds, but here you get the live price as well. So all the good things have been packed here. So my dear friends, feel free to use fastbull.com. The link is in the description. They also have a very cool mobile application. Feel free to download. Everything you'll find on the description. So if market goes down from here, we have 2 support levels. The best one is around 23707 and then if market selling price is not very high, we can look for a support in 2376 area. Okay, 2350 is also present but far away. Now we can also see that we also have 2 resistances where we can look for a sell. The first selling opportunity is around 2396. I will show you why 2396. First, okay, make a note. So 2396, 2397 is the first selling opportunity on the chart of gold in front of us. And the second selling opportunity will come around 2402, 2403. So these are the 2 levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a sell. In the morning, I also mentioned on the WhatsApp group, okay, that I run, okay, that we also have a selling around 2390 where market is standing right now. So we already got our 20-25 pips here, but this is no longer valid because you will be watching the video later. Okay, so as of now, you just need to focus on these 2 levels, 239697, 240203. And if market goes up like this, do not expect complete trend reversal. At least at first, try to target 40 pips. After 40 pips, if you see the selling pressure is high, then you can continue. Okay, so why we are considering 239697? We are considering 239697 because of market going down from here. Okay, so you can see this level seems to be a good one because this is the level from where market fell, and 2402 because of markets minor reversal from around this area. So definitely some sellers must be present, and 2400 round number psychological level, so anything may happen. And moreover, if we zoom out, we can see the 200 moving average is also coming down. So around these 2 areas, if market reverses, if market shows price rejection from below, we can go for a sell position. But on the other hand, my dear friend, during the US session, if you see that market is suddenly very bullish, forget about reversal, follow the trend of the market, because see, we can just expect the market to react according to our expectation on certain levels. मतलब हम बस expect कर सकते कि हमारे levels पे market ऐसे react करेगा. We cannot force the market, isn't it? So if market reacts according to expectation, then only we should go for it. Because see, we are traders, we are not gamblers that okay, we need to be trade on all the time. Whenever market hit our level, go for a buy, go for a sell. No, trading doesn't work like that. Okay. And this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us on lower time frame also. Okay, on lower time frame also, we can only see these opportunities only. You can see around 2400, 2402, we have a resistance. Then this is also resistance. That's it. No other opportunities. Sometimes we find many opportunities on lower time frame, but here on lower time frame also we can see the number of reliable opportunities are limited. Try to understand. In case of support also you can see the same stuff, 2376 area and 237072 area, but you can see I have another red line here. So during the day by the European session, if you see there is a sudden selling pressure in the market and market is going below 2385, as a scalper you can look for a sell below this level. If you see them suddenly there is a selling pressure, how much you can expect? Initially 25 to 30 pips. Okay, if it continues then 50 to 60, not more than that. Okay, because right now market is not trending, because whenever we get a trending market after a certain event, then we try to ride the trend of the market. But we also need to understand that every day is not a trending day. Okay, every day you cannot expect to make 200 300 pips. On certain days you need to be happy with 20 pips also. Okay, because we are traders and we need to be flexible according to the market situation and condition. And my dear friends, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response. Okay, for the community. Um, Already I have uploaded everything on my website. Okay, so tomorrow, okay, I'll tomorrow or max to max by day after tomorrow, I will update you guys. Okay, regarding the IB community, because already I have ties with many brokers. So I will make a detailed video. I will tell you on detail how you can join. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful.